When we talk about intense, deep, meaningful filmmaking, there's no name more significant than Imtiaz Ali. The current generation relates to his work and admires his kind of cinema, and when a guy like him decides to make a film on a phone, there's no phone better than the Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G. The phone offers amazing camera specification like AI highlight video that makes sure you don't need any setup or lighting to shoot your video, as it auto switches to ultra night during low light and live HDR during the day, making your footage appear top-notch and cinematic. Let's watch the video and find out Imtiaz's view on the amazing Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G.
Hi, I'm Imtiaz Ali, a filmmaker. New technology opens the world to infinite possibilities. Oppo is constantly innovating. I think they come up with very interesting techniques to add value to their camera phones. And we're not bothered about a big setup, many lights coming and going. What is most impressive about the Oppo Reno 5 Pro camera is the AI highlight video feature. And I realized that that is the key to the phone being so interesting for shooting. And I'm using the AI feature a lot, almost constantly while we are shooting in Dubai for this film. You like shooting, like now next feature film we can shoot on this phone?
We are shooting on that, sir. This is also like feature film
Yes, no, but we can project this in the theater?
Of course, sir.
Once you put that on, it automatically switches to ultra night vision when we are shooting in low light.
Yeah, just talk to each other looking at the camera.
Shooting during the day, the AI highlight feature switches on the HDR mode.
We'll have a frontal shot, that HDR
shoot
feature.
that against the sun.
Against the sunset. Super. Old continuity.
The other interesting feature is the AI color portrait. It highlights the subject, it brings out the color and the luminosity of the subject very nicely. So it makes you look very presentable and very beautiful at the push of a button.
So you guys can already be here at action.
So the dual view mode is something I've seen for the first time in the Oppo Reno 5 Pro. It has two cameras, one in the front and one in the back. So I could be shooting you and the phone could be shooting both you and me, and both your and my face could be simultaneously seen on the screen. So that's a very, very interesting feature.
That's what it is.
Very nice. We'll take one more. My advice to wannabe filmmakers, if you use a smartphone like the Oppo Reno 5 Pro, it gives a cinematic look. You can push your creativity and the phone provides you solutions to your challenges of look, like I'm doing right now. And you can really push the boundaries of your creativity with it.
Thank you, well done.
Thank you guys, it's a wrap.
With a camera like that, there are infinite possibilities, and I totally fell in love with Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G and really admired how Imtiaz is encouraging upcoming filmmakers who are into smartphone videography to go ahead and get that perfect shot without having to worry about the big setups and heavy lighting, as the Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G does it all for them and makes their footage look cinematic and beautiful. I think with Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G, we can truly live the infinite.